Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be reviewing this Atlas 50-foot precision design boxcar for the Pura Pekin. It's kind of scratched out there. Pekin Union. Let's see if this is over here. Yeah. Oh, Pekin Union. As you can see, I got this car for $10. An absolute steal. So let me just get into the box real quick. Okay. So the car comes in this box that opens up like this. I have never had a box like that. In the actual car itself comes in this styrofoam cradle, and there is no instructions. Which, like I said in previous videos, I wish there were, because I would like to see what parts are on my car. But here's the car. Now we have some parts up here. They seem to be just some horn hook couplers, which I will not be using. Now it is taped in. I might have to cut it. There we go. There. And it should just flip. Yep. So the car comes in this nice plastic wrap to help protect it from scuffs. The car is tightly packed in there. There are holes on the bottom, so you can push the car up. Man, that was a tight fit. So, this packaging should prevent the car from having any, damage, but it's real hard. But I do like that it has this, so it can protect it from scuffs, like I said. So anyways, let's get on the car. So here is the car. As you can see, it's nicely painted. Do the doors open? Yes, they do. Now that is a nice feature that you don't see really that all anymore. Wow, it's really nice. And they're really free too. So here is the roof. As you can see, it's got some overspray, but I think that's prototypical because some of these cars would just be painted on the sides and then the roofs would be left bare like that. But so here's this side. As you can see, the printing is very, very nice. We have separately applied ladders and grab irons. Here's this side. See, the printing is very, very nice too. We have nice roller bearing trucks with metal wheels, plastic axles. Underbody detail is it's there. It's definitely not the best, but at least it's there. You can see the metal weight. As you can see, it's real shiny. That is the metal weight, and this car does weigh a pretty good amount. Here is this end with the brake wheel, more grab irons. We have Accumate couplers, which I actually don't really mind these actually, because these are actually really good couplers if you pair them up with other Accumate couplers. Because if you pair them up with normal KDs, they kind of start to suck, but other than that, they're actually pretty good. Now, this is a plastic end, but as you can see through it, which is really nice. Here is the other end. As you can see, same amount of detail. Accumate couplers. Metal wheels. Let's see, what else did we go over? Coupler height. Okay. Here we go. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, here's the coupler height test. Focus the camera real quick. There we go. Okay, that coupler is a little low, but that's reasonable. I mean, no problems with that side. Let's do the other side. Yeah, that's pretty reasonable. Now, one thing that I've noticed I do not really like about these Atlas cars is that, oh wow, hold on. The trucks, usually on the ones that I have, the trucks are a plastic pin, but these seem to be an actual metal screw. And as you can see, the wheels are super shiny. I will be painting those. Here's another shot of the underbody. Let me focus it. There we go. And like I said, the doors do open. Now, let's see if there's actual interior detail in here. Nope, just a plain floor. Not that big of a deal, because you won't really be seeing that. Okay, let's get it on the track and do a rolling test and have it carry some cars. Okay, so here we are on the track. I have rearranged my layout, and I have a little hill section here, and I'm gonna give it a little light tap. There we go. So I went a pretty good distance with this little tiny block pulling the track up. So that's pretty smooth. Okay, here it is behind this train. There we go. There's the whole thing. Sorry about the messy room. But anyways, pretty fast. Hold on. There we go. Now I'm gonna have some snapshots of it running by.